close my eyes, I might miss something nice. Wouldn't be surprised. The world is changing faster than you think. Every time you blink. We keep on making vows to beat the odds somehow, hold on to the now. Troubles look so big, then they shrink every time